First up, when starting your wreath, you're going to start off with your leaves first. It is a bit easier, and then you can wait for one layer to dry, and then you're going to go back in with your other shade of green so you have your light and dark. And then when you're ready, you can start some of your florals. I am using a dagger brush here. I'm just putting it up on the tip first to get some fine lines, and then using the side of it to do some of the larger petals. And you're going to continue to repeat the pattern. Some of my florals got a little big, so I did add a lot of leaves in between just to help balance it out, and it looks really big and fluffy now. So you can have lots of fun with these projects. Sometimes you can get bigger and bigger, so that is something to watch out for.